we've got 400 kilometers to get to Watson Lake, and that's all on a dirt road, so I don't know what that's going to be like. Good morning, guys. Spent a nice night under the cover in the little covered shelter in Watson Lake, and this wood burning stove kept going pretty good most of the night, and I was able to restock it this morning. Just about to light my stove. Ooh. To have some breakfast. Woo! Uh-oh. This thing's always sketchy. I've had much bigger flames. And we're good to go. I'm just gonna heat up some water, have some oatmeal and some cocoa, and then we'll get on the road. See, perfect. Any second, there we go. A perfect flame. Okay, we're all packed up. One last look at Watson Lake, and then we'll hit the road. Right now we're here at Carmack's, and we got Route 4, the Campbell Highway. It's going to take us down to Watson Lake, and from there we're going to continue east and south back into BC. All right, well, let's hit the road. And we're off. Just stopped in Carmack's at the Carmack's general store to get some gas and some supplies. I was low on food, and I even picked up a little traveling buddy. Now there's two of us on this trip. Let's get back on the road. Just got some gas in Faro, and we've got 400 kilometers to get to Watson Lake, and that's all on a dirt road, so I don't know what that's going to be like, and the weather's not looking great, so it's going to be a slow day on the road. Alright, just spent some time in the visitors center catching up with some Wi-Fi in the middle of nowhere. We're in Faro, and that's a small town in the middle of nowhere, and it's the largest lead zinc open mining pit in North America. And this is where the start of the dirt road is. So from here on in it's going to be slow going, and there's a couple of campgrounds along the way, so we'll see how I feel when I get to the first one, whether we stop or try and push on for the second one. Well, let's get back on the road. There it is, 400K to watch the lake. Let's just stop for a little break. Here's Francis Lake. Won't be jumping into this one, but sure is another nice spot. Well, I'm gonna get myself set up and grab myself some dinner. I am really hungry.